Greetings everybody. Today we are going to start our new unit 2 into thin air. And the section 1 is The Inexperienced Ghost, written by H.G. Wells. This is the picture of H.G. Wells. Let's know about the author. H.G. Wells was an English novelist, teacher, historian and journalist. He was one of the pioneers of the genre of science fiction and is now best remembered for works such as The Time Machine, The Island of Dr. Moreau, The Invisible Man, The War of the Worlds and The War in the Air. He is credited with having foreseen the coming of aircraft, tanks, space traveler, nuclear weapons, satellite television and something resembling the World Wide Web. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature 4 times. This is all about the author. Now, my dear students, look at this picture carefully. This is the hook of today's class. What are you seeing in this picture? What is happening in this picture? Observe it carefully and write the answer in your rough notebook. So, our learning outcome is students will be able to list the characters in text and some of their beliefs. Students will demonstrate an understanding of the story. This will be the aim of our today's class. To achieve this aim, we will follow an agenda. Firstly, questioning. Second one is reading. Then discussion. After that, we will do application part. Then I will give you home assignment. Now, look at another picture. Look at this picture carefully and give me the answer of these questions. How many characters are in this picture? How many characters are in this picture? Which are they? The answer is there are 5 characters in this picture. They are Evans, Sanderson, Wish, Clayton and Ghost. Now let's start reading from the text. As we have had earlier read this story in online class, in this video we will share the summary of this story, The Inexperienced Ghost. In this story, adapted from the story of The Inexperienced Ghost by H.G. Wells. As you know, this story is written by H.G. Wells. In this story, a man narrates his encounter with a ghost. Read on to find out what he experiences. So, in this story, Clayton had met with a ghost in a club. He shared his experience with his friends. Clayton told them that he caught a ghost. At this, his friends became surprised and Evans also shouted. He was also eager to know about ghosts. Then Clayton told them about ghost appearance. The ghost was thin. He had short hair and he was wearing a short jacket, and the collar of his jacket were also folded and the threads were hanging from his trousers. This is all about ghost appearance. Clayton told them that when he first saw the ghost, he became surprised and shocked. But when he started talking with him, they became friends. Clayton said that then he asked about the ghost and he advised the ghost why he came here in this club, because he told them that people came here with their children. He advised the ghost that you should not stay here, and he suggested the ghost to go back. Then the ghost said that he had been living here since last night. Now he had forgotten how to go back. Then Clayton suggested him to come with him in his room and asked him to sit down on the chair. He asked the goat and asked him about himself. Then the ghost shared his life experience with him. The ghost told him not to look at his gestures, otherwise he would not be able to disappear. Then Clayton turned down his face, and after that the ghost disappeared. Clayton shared this experience with his friends, but his friends didn't believe him and remarked him that Clayton is a good liar. But Clayton tried to assure them that he really met with the ghost, and he raised his hands once more to repeat the ghost moment. But his friends didn't believe at him, and they know that he had told a story and it was nothing else. This was the summary of the inexperienced ghost. The keywords are inexperienced, encounter, adapted, experience, and narrate. These are the new words of today's class. Now there is glossary: scurvy, short hair, emitted, let out, turn down collar, a collar worn folded down as formal shirt, peevishly, easily annoyed, as obstinate as a mule, very stubborn. Now here is the application part. Tick the most appropriate option. On the basis of story, here are given some question and you have to tick the correct option. Ivan shouted because he, first option is, didn't believe Clayton's tale at all, was afraid of meeting a ghost, could not be heard over the noise in the room, was excited by the idea of a ghost. The second question is, the ghost had come to the club because he didn't know where to go, thought it would be fun to haunt, wanted to frighten children, had been told to come there. The ghost could not disappear as he had forgotten the way back. He had not finished haunting. Clayton was secretly watching him. He had forgotten the last moves. Wish was frightened because he felt Clayton's move would make him disappear, was worried the ghost would come back, thought that the ghost was still around, felt it was not right to do the moves of the ghost. You have to tick on the correct option. Now, here are some questions. How did Clayton convince his friend that he had seen a real ghost? The second question is, did Clayton help the ghost find his way back? How? What do you think happened in the end? Was the whole thing a joke? Did something really happen? Did Clayton disappear or did he wake up? You have to read the story again and try to find the answer of this question and write in your rough notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, stay tuned.